Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss on another operation on functions, which is subtraction of functions. If f and h are functions, then the difference is defined as f minus h of x equals f of x minus h of x. Let's have some examples. Example number 1, let f of x equals x plus 1 and h of x equals 2x squared. So we're going to find f minus h of x. Now in here we're going to follow the rules. F minus h of x equals f of x minus h of x. So in here we're going to have x plus 1, then minus the value of h of x, which is 2x squared, so minus 2x squared. So in here you're subtracting, so you're going to have x plus 1, then minus 2x squared. After this one, since there are no similar terms, so we will just arrange this one. So the highest exponent will be the first one, followed by the next, and the last will be the constant. So you're going to have negative 2x squared plus x plus 1. And that will be your answer. Example number 2. Let f of x equals 3x plus 2 and g of x equals negative 3x. Find f minus g of x. So f minus g of x will be equal to f of x minus g of x. So f of x here is 3x plus 2, then minus value of g of x, which is negative 3x. So negative of a negative number is positive, so you're going to have here 3x plus 2, and this will become plus 3x. So you have here like signs, you have here like terms, so you're going to have 3x plus 3x, then plus 2. 3x plus 3x is 6x. Then we're going to copy plus 2. So the answer is 6x plus 2. Okay, example number 3. Let f of x equals x squared plus 1 and g of x equals 3x plus 5. We're going to find here f minus g of 1. The same with addition on functions. We're going to follow the rules, which is f minus g of x equals f of x minus g of x. Since we are substituting here x with 1, so we're going to have f minus g of 1 equals f of 1 minus g of 1. So in here, for f of x, we're going to substitute the value of x with 1. So you're going to have 1 squared plus 1, this is for f of x, then minus g of x is 3x plus 5, so we're going to have 3 times 1, then plus 5. So we're going to use here brackets. So 1 squared is 1, then plus 1, then minus 3 times 1 is 3, then plus 5. So 1 plus 1 here is 2, then minus 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, so 2 minus 8, that will be negative 6. Example number 4. Let f of x equals 2x plus 3 and g of x equals 3x minus 1. So find f minus g of negative 2. So f minus g of negative 2 will be equal to f of 2, or negative 2, minus g of negative 2. So f of negative 2 will be 2 times negative 2, then plus 3, then minus, and you're going to use again brackets, 3 times negative 2, substituting x here with negative 2, then minus 1. Then 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 plus 3, then minus 3 times negative 2 is negative 6 minus 1. So in here, this is negative 4 plus 3 minus negative 6 minus 1 is negative 7. So negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Then negative of negative 7 is plus 7. So we're going to have plus 7. Negative 1 plus 7 is equal to 6. I hope this video helped you. Thank you and goodbye.